From a useless baby to a millionaire, this is the story of a single person. Despite the disability and various roadblocks, came out stronger than before. Shrikant Bola's story is a story of inspiration, not just because of the hurdles he faced and conquered, but also of the continuing battle with the world to provide better opportunities to people with multiple disability. He was born in 7 July 1991 in a small village called Sitarampur in Andhra Pradesh, which came under Krishna district of Machilampattam.
At the age of 7, Shrikant left his home, learned Badian, English and computer.
He topped his 10th board exam and decided to study science instead of art. When he was stopped to learn science, he filed a case against the Andhra Pradesh Board of Secondary Education, which refused to admit a blind student to the science stream. He won the case and finished his 12th board securing 98%. However, he wasn't done yet. Refusing to bow down, he applied to the universities in the United States. After he was denied the admit card to write the Indian Institute of Technology entrance exam, not only was his application accepted in the United States, he was accepted in 4 of the most prestigious colleges in the world today: Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Stanford, Berkeley, and Carnegie Mellon. He was the first international blind student to be given a place in MIT. He started a non-profit organization, Samanvai, for students with multiple disabilities. Samanvai aimed to provide goal-oriented support service for students with disabilities to get a proper education. Around 3,000 students have been helped, nourished, and mentored by Shrikant through Samanvai. In 2012, he decided to take the next big step for the betterment of not just unskilled laborers and disabled people, but also for the environment. This step was the establishment of Bolent Industries Private Limited, which had a threefold purpose. First, to help unskilled and uneducated disabled people. Second, to encash agriculture waste from the farmer. And finally, stop environmental degradation from the excessive use of plastic and styrofoams. Today, Bolent Industries have 5 manufacturing plants which produce eco-friendly products such as leaf plate, cup, tray and dinnerwares. Board of Directors of Bolent Industries include manufacturing giant Ratan Tata, Srini Raju of People's Capital, Satish Reddy of Dr. Reddy Laboratories, India's top angel investor Ravi Mantra. Bolent Industries sales cross 70 million per year and employ over 150 disabled individuals, catering to local and international customers, and inspiration to many people around the world. Shrikant Bola believes if you do something good, it will come back to you.
If you like my channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe it.